let's start with the types of the brain tumors, and we can start with meningioma. Meningioma, by its name, arising from the meninges, meningeal covering from inside the brain. Thus, it may be referral, maybe go central with the false cerebri, or any part of the brain with surrounding of meninges. Meningioma is the most common primary brain tumor, accounting for more than 30% of all brain tumors. About 90% of meningioma are benign and slow-growing tumors, while almost all meningiomas are considered benign, but some meningiomas can recur after treatment and after surgery. Meningioma, again, this is